Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and phone readiness. Plug case in if needed and charge to at least 50% because low battery blocks pairing. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your device and disable other headphone links so the phone scans clean. Then open the Boult Audio Y1 case. The buds will wake and enter pairing mode, signaled by a blinking LED or tone. This immediate action gets both devices talking and avoids wasted time hunting settings that aren't needed right now. Next, move to the actual pairing step. On your phone, tap the Bluetooth menu and look for Boult Y1. Tap it to pair. The phone may show a pairing request. Accept it. If the earbuds don't appear, take them out and press and hold the touch sensor for 3 to 5 seconds to force pairing mode. Once paired, you typically hear a voice prompt or see a steady LED. Make sure media volume is moderate so you can confirm the test sound and avoid sudden loud audio. Finish by testing playback and microphone. Play music and make a quick call to verify stereo balance and mic clarity. If fit affects bass or dropouts, reseat the buds and try different ear tips. Fit matters for sound and connection stability. If you encounter pairing failures, reset the earbuds by holding both touch sensors for about 10 seconds or remove Boult Y1 from your phone's Bluetooth list and try again. This reset clears conflicts and usually restores normal pairing behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.